The Nike Air Max 95 continues its massive momentum as the iconic silhouette celebrates its 30th anniversary, with releases stretching well into 2026. After a standout year for retros, Nike is keeping the energy high by bringing back fan-favorite colorways while also introducing fresh, modern updates. One of the most exciting upcoming looks is the Air Max 95 Triple Black Leather Edition. Inspired by premium collaborations like Supreme and Atmos Harajuku release, this version swaps the traditional mesh and suede for smooth, high-quality leather across Sergio Lozano's legendary design. The all-black execution extends from the upper down to the Big Bubble Air Max unit, giving the sneaker a sleek, aggressive, and ultra-premium vibe. It's a clean, versatile pair that fits perfectly with both streetwear and everyday rotation. Official release details via Nike.com have yet to be announced, but anticipation is already building. Stay locked in for updates and official images as this premium Air Max 95 gets closer to launch.